passengers from Honolulu. Please proceed to customs for mandatory baggage inspection.
Lola,
Thank you for your cooperation.
I'm in again. Grabe la. 8 hours by land the first time we visited. Wala pa isang oras per plane. It's really closer than we think. Pero kahit gaano pa kabilis, time slows down and I feel at ease. Lola! Tingnan mo yung sunset, oh! No, Lola, you'd love this. Ang sarap-sarap pa rin. Lola! Look, sobrang peaceful dito. Makakapag-relax ka talaga dito.
Ay, sige, bedi apo ko ni Manong inyong ngambaro.
Yeah, Auntie. Finally got a chance to visit again. Work's been keeping me busy ngamin.
Kano ka pa simampot baro? Nakabasbasit ka pa lang, di. Apagasikat ka lang. Tatan, nakadagdakal ka.
Bueno, Auntie. Excuse me lang po First time here?
Hindi. Madalas kami dati ng lola ko dito.
Ay, man. Bagi nilolok deto yudi. Awan ni Sunan.
Ano po?
Tourist. Lolo passed away last year, but he always told me stories about Ilocos Norte. I thought it was time to experience them myself.
Ang lola ko kasi, we bought many souvenirs the first time we visited here.
She must really love this place.
She did.
You know, I could show you around. Not just the usual spots, but the other side of Ilocos Norte.
Sure. And then?
You know how to speak Ilocano Gayam.
Basit lang.
This coffee is probably local,
Talaga? Let me try. Sarap na. Lala! Ibang waterfalls naman, no? Parang cool. Sana andito kayo ni Papa.
Everything is grown right here by the community.
Wow, really?
Is it good?
Better than good. Lala, iba ito yung sanang gusto mong puntahan noon.
You're almost there! Kayang deta!
Lala! Oh, alam kong proud na proud ka na naman sa akin. I almost won. Almost lang.
You're a terrible runner. Good thing you're cute.
Ako nito. I was holding back. Lola, diba dati sabi mo, ang tubig ng Ilocos Norte, parang may sariling kwento? Pakikinggan ko ngayon para sa'yo.
You talk to your Lola a lot. I think it makes me want to meet her.
Lola! Alam mo, Lola, end ka pa rin naman eh. Tayo to dati, Lola, oh.
Dance with me?
You know, Lola can't remember Ilocos Norte anymore. So, I'm remembering it for her.
You keep on looking at the past. Maybe it's time to start making new memories too.
Lola, alam mo ba, this place still feels like home. And maybe I've found another reason to keep coming back. Lola, ang sarap nito! Lola! Parang pwedeng-pwede sa'yo to, oh. Tingnan mo. Naku, magugustuhan mo to. Feeling ko nakakarami ka nito.
So, are you in for more adventures?
I think I'm in love.
Simulan na ang adventure. Simulan na ang adventure. I'm in the in. Halina at bumiyahe. I'm in the in. Tara sa Ilocos Norte.